Hello everyone and a warm welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. Today I'm going to show you guys two things. Number one is how to use scalars if you are a noob on IMVU. And number two is how to get eyebrows on a head without them. Because some of us may wonder, why am I buying a head with no eyebrows? And how do I get the eyebrows? So today I'm going to show you all how to get the eyebrows. It's really simple because some people don't know these things. So I will not be one of those people who gatekeeps. So I will be helping you today. So for this process, I've created a dummy account, aka account that isn't really functional, but just for this video. So as you can see, the hands are quite long. So if you want to fix that, you can now go ahead and type in combo scaler. You can also type in shoulder scaler as well because it will also pop up. You can type in combo scaler, shoulder scaler, or just hand scaler. Okay. So I'm just opening them to show you the details, and you can see it actually works. It is legit. So as you can see, when I typed in combo scaler, shoulder, all of those, I added it to my cart where I can see how it looks before I purchase. So this is how her hand looks before purchasing, and the shoulders are also aligned as well. So I'm turning her around so you can see. Then we will move on to head scaler. Now, please remember that I am just doing some simple examples for you. You don't have to copy exactly what I am doing. This is just for you to grasp and understand the concept. So, whatever scaler you think is best for your Avi, you go right ahead with whatever inspiration, whatever you have in mind. Okay, so concerning this part with the waist scalars, this was not really going to be a part of it. But I said to myself, why just do half of her body? Let's show new people how to proportion their AV. So this is how with everything on, she really looks different from the beginning, right? So the scalars really help. It really helps to enhance your avatar. So as you can see, this is a browless head. Okay, no eyebrows. That's what I mean by browless. Okay, so I'm showing you two browless heads, no eyebrows, right?